Kung ano ang kakantahin ko, yun po ang sasayawin. Alright! Number 2, number 3, number 8 na. Alright, pasa mo kay number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Turn around, and shoot that ball! Paunahan! Alright, sino ang nauna?
Sino ang nauna?
Tay! Tay!
Sino ang
Tay! Tay!
Alright, so dahil nagtay.
Sa ating last round, sa mga last round, syempre paunahan na lang po sila. Okay, para sa ating last round, paunahan na lang po sila. Okay, makibigay po ako ng balon kay number 1. Kay number 1. Okay, girls and boys, ready na po ba sila?
Macdo! Balikbago!
Okay, pasabay ka number 2. Number 3. Please, number 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Pasabay ka number 2. Number 1. Number 3. Number 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Pasabay ka number 1. Number 2. Please, number 6. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Pasabay ka number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walang number 7. Ipasabay ka number 2, number 3, number 4. Please, number 3. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Ipasabay ka number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Ipasabay ka number 1, 2, 3, 6, 1. Dribble, 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 dribble. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around, turn around. Then shoot that ball! Alright! Dahil may iti-take pa po si Consequence.
Macdon!
Okay, dahil natalo po sila, Baby Girl Freya, dito po tayo sa unahan. Ayan, Baby Girl Freya, dito po tayo sa unahan.
Ganda naman ni Mami.
Alright! Okay, dahil natalo ang ating group number 1, may itatanong po si Kuya Lino at bawal
John, okay, lahat makakasagot nito. Ano pong favorite animal?
Cat.
Kayo po? Akala ko naapakan ko si ma'am. Alright, dog, kayo po? Rabbit. Kayo po favorite animal? Daga. Alright, so kayo po favorite animal?
Bird.
Bird. And kayo po favorite animal?
Dog lang din ang gusto ko.
Dog lang din daw, parang
Yes, isa po tayo ng iba.
Diba? Kayo po, ano pong tunog ng dog? Tawa. Kayo po, ano pong tunog ng favorite animal?
Rabbit, ano yun?
Ayan. So kayo po, ano pong tunog? Mouse partner. Paano nga ba ang tunog ng mouse?
Tignan na natin.
Tunog ng mouse? Mouse na lang din, no partner. Like, mouse. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Okay. Kayo po, tunog ng bird?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Ayan, tweet, tweet, tweet. Kayo po? Wow! Okay, so sinsalan na natin yung tunog ng ating mga favorite animal.
Okay, everyone. Once na nag-start po silang kumanta, sasabayan lang po natin yung beat nila. Okay, mag-start tayo sa ating back. Dito po tayo sa harap ni Baby Girl Freya.
Okay. So,
Next one. Yes.
alright. Paano kumanta ng happy birthday ang da?
Alright, para.
Talagang po dito sa gitna, sa harap ng ating celebrant. So, paano kumanta ng happy birthday ang Alright.
Kaya mo yan, bilog.
Alright! Okay, next! Palakpakan naman para sa ating rapping! Alright, again! Alright, okay, thank you so much. And lastly, palakpakan naman para sa ating cat. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, and everyone. And dito po tayo sa unahan, baby girl.
Freya's 7th birthday? Meron tayong 7 chocolates, 7 bills and wishes, and also 7